Welcome. I like your shirts. Barron Industries has roots back 100 years. You might have seen the big signs coming in. 100 years of being a family-owned metal casting company.
Great to have you here on Manufacturing Day. So I can tell you that I've been doing what I'm doing here as having graduated from school for 40 years. But when I was in school, I worked at that foundry in Detroit.
What we do is we get bulk stock metal and we cut it into this.
So the shells are actually permeable. When you're pouring the metal, clamp the part in, it goes into the machine.
So
That's the part.
that's the part.
It is a growing field and we're happy to be in it and we're happy you're here considering to do the same.
Set my cards here in case anybody says, do you have a job?
This is a 3D print. This is a 3D print.
And yeah, it's a lot more dense than you imagine, right?
Yeah, it's a lot heavier than you think.
That will come through this hole and it will like sputter off the surface. You can see the sputter marks on here. So we do low alloy steel, which is mainly iron. We do stainless steel, also mainly iron.
Natural.
This is kind of why I got interested in manufacturing.
This is a 5-axis machine, so it will turn whatever way I need to turn.
This is a piece of bar stock that we would have sawn to length.
Slide it through, shut the door, and there's a control panel here.
You know, the heat cycling that those parts go through, they dimensionally will shift a little bit. And so we'll use this several thousand ton press to kind of straighten them back out to where we want them to be